Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review this package which I have received. I do not have any idea what it is. I just see that it's written bike tire liner, whatever it is. So looking at the box, not much to understand. I just understand it's something to do with the tires of the bike. So made of high quality TPU, which I don't even know what is TPU, lightweight and wear resistant with good flexibility. Can effectively prevent, I cannot read, and reduce tire wear. The tire line has excellent puncture resistance and can effectively prevent punctures around the thorns, nails, etc. It's the best choice for outdoor sports. So it is made in Shenzhen, and yeah, very small box I would say. Let's just open it up and see what we have got in here. Oh, something very interesting. So there's a QR code actually on the sticker in here. So I would be scanning this to see what it is. That's a very cool idea. Oh, that's it pretty much. So it's just two pieces of plastic. Interesting. So I don't have any idea, to be honest, what it is, but let's check it out. So it's a kind of 1 or 2 millimeter plastic, I would say. Bike tire liner. So I'm not sure, probably when there's a puncture in the tire this can be used. I'm not really sure. However, looks like a very nice plastic. Looks like a kind of glue in here, I would say. And I would say let's open this up and have a look what it is. So I will just remove this one. Yeah, so that looks like a plastic, as you can see inside. Very soft plastic, and this part to me looks like a kind of glue which can stick. So probably just for the puncture. So when there is a puncture on the tire, this product can be used. Alright, that was a very short video. So if you have any questions, let me know in the section down below, in the comment section. And if you have any products which you would like me to review, I'm happy to do so. Just get in touch with me. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I always have new videos. And as I always mention, I'm not sponsored by them. I'm just reviewing this product. So it's just my personal opinion on these products. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Thank you and bye bye.